Hi guys, and welcome back to Maths with Cats. Today we are going to be going over solving quadratic equations for AQA A-level maths. So let's get on with it. Cat first. Factorizing to solve. So our first example: solve x squared minus 8 equals 2x by factorizing. So to do this, first you want to move everything onto one side, like so it's equal to 0. Then you're going to find two numbers that times to make minus 8 and add to make minus 2. So in this case, we end up with x plus 2, x minus 4 equals 0. Two things times together to make 0. One of them must equal 0, so, or both. So x plus 2 equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals minus 2, or x equals 4. What does this mean? We've finished the question. We get some cats. Sorry, my laptop's being slow. Here we go. Hidden quadratic. So with hidden quadratics, they work exactly the same. They're just hard to spot. So in this example, if we say z equals 1/3, that means that z squared would equal x to the 2/3. So you can see here that we actually have z squared plus 3z minus 40 equals 0. And we do know how to solve that. Exact same as last time. Two numbers that times to make minus 40 and add to make 3. That is 8 and minus 5. So we have z plus 8, z minus 5 equals 0. One of them or both of them must equal 0. So z plus 8 equals 0 or z minus 5 equals 0. So z equals minus 8 or z equals 5. And then we want to get it back in terms of x. So x to the 1/3 equals minus 8 or x to the 1/3 equals 5. So x equals minus 5/2 or x equals 125. Cat, once again, just waiting for it to load and go to the next slide. It takes forever because my laptop's really slow. Completed the square. So for this one, it wants us to solve 2x squared minus 8x plus 3 equals 0, giving your answers in exact form by completing the square. So the first thing we'll do is take out the factor of 2 so that we don't have a multiple in front of the x squared term. So we end up with 2 lots of x squared minus 4x plus 3/2 equals 0. So completing the square, you want it in the form a lots of x plus b all squared plus c. So to get this as x plus something squared, we're going to halve this number, because then you end up with this. And minus 4/2 is going to make minus 4. So, and then we put plus c because this is not going to necessarily give 3/2 when you square this. In fact, we know it's not because minus 4/2 is minus 2 and minus 2 squared is 4, not 1.5. So we need to work out what this c needs to be so that we end up with 3/2. So that would be 2 lots of x minus 2 squared minus 2.5 equals 0. So then we want to get it, we're going to times by 2, so we end up with 2 lots of x minus 2 squared minus 5 equals 0. We've now completed the square, but we want to solve. So we're going to move the 5 over to the other side to get this. Then we're going to divide by 2 to get this. Square root, don't forget plus or minus to get this. And then add the 2. So then you end up with x equals 2 plus root 10/2 or x equals 2 minus root 10/2. Yeah! Wait for it to load once again. By the way, I'm thinking of doing some results day video. Let me know if that's something you'd like me to do. Okay, quadratic formula. So, quadratic formula, you can use x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I did that to a bit of a rhyme because I was taught it using a song. It's on YouTube. I'll put it in the description so that you can watch it. So to solve a quadratic form equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So here's an example. Solve 6x squared plus 87x minus 144 equals 0 using the quadratic formula. So here are A is 6, B is 87, C is minus 144. Sub those into the quadratic formula, you get this. Simplify it, and you end up with this. Keep simplifying, and eventually you get x equals 3 over 2 or minus 16. Really simple one to use, especially if you're A level. You should be able to use it pretty quick. You did most of the stuff on this video at GCSE, so that's why I'm going for it pretty fast. Yeah, we've got to the end of the video. I hope I didn't go for it too fast, but like I say, most of it was GCSE stuff, so you should already be pretty good at it. Other than the hidden quadratic. Yeah, so something I was saying before, I'm thinking of doing a results day video. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. Also, let me know if you're interested in me doing some videos about like university stuff. Obviously, I'm not at university yet, so there's nothing I can do immediately. But when I eventually go, should I do some videos of like what that's like? Let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all later. Bye bye.